how to download Microsoft Outlook. So as you can see, I'm using my Microsoft Outlook account on their official website. So let's say I want to download the official app. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open a new tab and then simply search download Microsoft Outlook on Google. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the first link, and then you're gonna get redirected to this page here. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on it. Now depending on where you want to download Microsoft Outlook, so if you scroll down, as you can see, you have Google Play, then you have App Store. So as you can see, you can download this on your Android phone or on your iPhone, as you can see here. Now if you want to download on your Windows computer, simply scroll down and then simply click on this Outlook for Windows link, and then simply click on get started, and then you're gonna have the option to download this on your Windows computer. Now I'm using a MacBook, so what I'm gonna have to do is simply open App Store on my Mac. So I'm gonna show you, and then simply search for Outlook, and then simply click on the first link, which is this one here, and then all I have to do is simply click on get, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.